Okay, as I just mentioned, the first thing actually research question or objective. For formulating the research question or objective, we can follow the CMO guideline because Briner and Denier have developed the CMO guideline to establish clearly formulated and answerable research question. So CMO is actually the abbreviation of CMO is C is for context. The first thing actually we have to know the which individuals or materials or relationships or institutional framework or system we are going to investigate. So initially we as a researcher we have to fix what is actually our main context. For me actually I am just working now on materials. So I am working on titanium dioxide material. So then actually you have to select your material first or individual or relation or whatever the system you have to select. And then actually the important thing is actually intervention. What are the effect of this material? Suppose for example, if I wanted to say about the titanium dioxide material, so the material effect can be changed under different temperature, different pressure. So these are the actually intervention. So then the thing is actually mechanism. Which mechanism can explain the relationship between intervention and result? Suppose if I say, okay, I wanted to see the effect of actually titanium dioxide material on a specific temperature. If I increase the temperature, what is the effect? The effect is actually outcome. So the mechanism, how actually it's working, is called the mechanism is that thing. How actually it's happening. This is called actually mechanism. So before actually research question selection or the objective, so these are the things we can actually consider. Then we can easily formulate our research question or objective. So as I mentioned, actually, this is not compulsory to follow the CMO guideline, but our research question or objective should be formulated in clear and focused and comprehensive manner and should be answerable and have been determined prior to carrying out the SLR. Before carrying out the SLR, we have to determine our research question. And then consist of general and specific question or objective. There should be consist. Then the second thing actually identification of relevant keywords and formulation of search history. This is the most important for SLR to identify the keywords. Actually, the keywords will come from the research question or objective. If initially we select our research question or objective, then we can easily find out what are the relevant keywords we have to search. Whenever we are going to search the keywords, a precisely formulated research question or objective will help us to identify the relevant search terms. When we are starting for searching, then we have to identify our keywords because this is the crucial to get the relevant articles. If we actually we properly formulate our keywords, then we will get our required number of articles. And ordinary keyword search may actually fail to get the required information. So different spelling and form. We know actually there are for one word can be different spelling. It can be British depending on the British and American language. It can be different form. So whenever we are going to search the keyword separately, we have to use all the actually relevant spelling or for singular or plural every form we have to search. And another thing actually as many different synonyms as possible have to search for the related term. Then we will get there is a high possibility to get all the required our desired papers or articles.